we were discussing it. You on the panel will be talking about how you're looking at inclusion. I understand there is a lot happening in fintech space. You see newer innovation every day, and then there is established brands like SDFC. How open are you to innovations? How tough or easy is it for you?
I guess thanks, first of all, thanks very much for having me here. But I personally believe that change is the only thing constant in our lives. I mean, innovation is something which is part of our life. So I do not say that we have to innovate, etc. I think this is part of our life. In HDFC, we believe in constant, change, innovation, so that we are relevant to our customers as well as to our people. So to reach out to a larger section of societies, since I'm here to talk about inclusion in fintech space, we have adopted Phygital model in terms of partnering with Common Service Center, Government of India company. They have 5 lakh physical touch points, and they were set up to deliver government services to common citizen completely on digital platform, and we have integrated our banking product APIs with them to provide banking services in deeper geographies through with them. So that is providing convenience of physical touch point along with efficiency of digital solution.
Great. Good to know.
Yeah.
Now, in the second part of my question, we understand there's a lot happening. As you also said, innovation or change is the only constant. And we keep on seeing a lot of innovations, maybe AI, maybe another disruption. Where do you see a scope of work, given everything is nascent in age, everything is experimentation, newer innovation, newer dynamics and policy tweaks as well? Where do you see a scope of work? What should be done in terms of accelerating this growth further?
So I look at our country. I mean, we talk what has changed in last few years is obviously adoption of technology everywhere. How do we leverage that adoption of technology to build businesses, build products, create enabling environment, create digital enablement for people across the country? That is what I think is going to gives us huge amount opportunity. India is changing. We talk about Viksit Bharat. What is Viksit Bharat? Viksit Bharat is making, in terms of financial inclusion, making all the financial products and services available in deeper geography, irrespective of people's background and where they come from. So there is scope everywhere. If you travel any part of the country, India is 29 countries in 29 states. There is opportunity everywhere, and as a bank, we are present in all the states in the country, and we work to opportunities which are present and develop solution according to what customers want. And that's what is a huge opportunity going forward.
Lovely, a long way to go, what I could understand from what you said. Just the final bit of it.
Lot happening, but still long way to go.
Thanks for the correction. What would be your small, sweet, one piece of advice to the established names in the industry in terms of inclusion?
So first of all, understand customer. India is changing. Rural, deeper geography customers are no more what we used to think. They are as smart or as good as what people in urban and metro are here. We need to understand their aspirations, build products accordingly, and then scale up the business.
Lovely. Thank you, Ms. Bhagat, for making time for us.
Thank you.